Alright, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be carbon fiber vinyl wrapping this fender on my Civic here, and show you how easy it is to work with and how to get great results even from a noob. Hope you like the video. I'm going to start by cleaning off the fender really good because I don't want any like trash or debris to show up through the vinyl. I'm just using like this waterless, kind of like a detail spray. I'm just going to rinse it down and wipe it off really good. Make sure there's no trash. I actually popped off the little molding here in the fender because I want the vinyl to be behind the molding, and I'll probably cut some holes and pop the molding on top of the vinyl. It might actually make it look more authentic instead of wrapping the plastic molding too. Pop the hood, and I'm going to go ahead and clean the back sides of the edges that the vinyl needs to wrap around and cling to. So there's like probably hidden dirt in the seams here behind the fender, between the bumper and the fender. Like, you know, I just need to make sure all the seams are.
Just don't drop this. It comes out awesome.
So I got the fender clean. I went ahead and went over all the edges, made sure those are nice and clean, even up under this lip here. So it's time to start wrapping. That's all it is. You just gotta make sure it's really clean and dry. I think I've never done this before, okay, but I'm gonna start from the back side and work my way to the front, and just see how it goes. And if there's any like edges that it doesn't want to really shape to like mold or take shape to, you're supposed to add heat, and that's going to make the vinyl flexible and kind of take shape to the curvature of the car. So I'm going to see how far I can get with no heat, and if I need it, I'm going to heat it up with the heat gun. Just see how this goes. All right, so I think I have the general size cut out.
Stick it against the car.
It just feels like we're best. Just stick this?
Stick it.
Sure.
Pop it wherever you want. That's good enough, you know, like that.
Okay.
It's not window tint. It's a lot more moving.
So you just keep unsticking it and
yeah. And then do it on that side. Thing is so thick. Just work with that.
okay.
You'll get it.
We'll start from the middle, work my way to the edges. Right?
Yeah, if it has a wrinkle in it, you can heat it, and it'll go away. You stretch it, you can heat it.
So we got it pretty flat in the center of the fender, like in this section here. So I'm just gonna work in the center and work all the air to the closest edges. I've done window tint like twice, and it's like the same concept. You just get the bubbles. I'm just lifting the film and squeezing the bubbles to the nearest edge. So I'm gonna start working this bottom section here, and then I'll come back and do the top. shots. And this corner. Ooh, it's hard doing it left-handed.
Crazy how easy it is with some of it. It's fucked up when you get to a point where you've stretched it around and around shit and you end up with a big ball of crap at the end that you're trying to do something with. But this fender looks like it's gonna turn out good. See, like this right here? See how this is right here? What we're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna heat it, okay, and let it relax and then pull it. Because this is gonna be your corner, right? We're gonna want it to get to relax right here so it stays. So here, you're looking good. Lock it all in with heat on all the edges.
I'm gonna start at that corner, I guess. So
like this corner here, like the way it's doing all this, when you heat it, it should be able to get it to fall that way instead of it being how it's being pulled like this. If you heat it, it should fall the other way and hold itself like this instead of like that. You know? All right.
Oh my god, I know what I'm doing. Turns all gooey. Whoa. Alright, this little piece right here is probably going to be like the trickiest part of the entire fender, because I actually have to like heat it up and make it mold or take shape into the to this little section here that actually sits in. I'm going to start off with a little heat, go little by little. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay.
Yeah, so then it sells a glove, it sells a knife. It's like, if I didn't want them to buy all the shit, it's not expensive either. It's like the glove and
Damn, dude.
squeegee's like $10.
Wow, they're really good. Damn, kind of slammed it down, sir. Yeah, this is super hot.
You need to pull it, huh?
Yeah. That plastic shit covers most of this, I think.
That's the trick. That's like the secret, you know. Just keep it quiet. I wouldn't put it on. Shit.
It's too late. It's too late now. I'm gonna neutral slam it.
The fuck? You still haven't fixed that?
Bullshit to that too, huh? Episode 2.